Hello everyone, this is Cheryl with Adventures of Sea and Sea, and we are heading out of Florida on a fall adventure, and we are going to take you along. Our first stop is going to be Stone Mountain in Georgia and overnight in Perry, Georgia. So grab a jacket and come with us. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this video or find it helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you will not miss our weekly videos. Now come along for our adventure.
I'm taking my chances along with my dreams.
We have just under 300 miles to get to our first destination in Georgia. We were surprised to see all the trees down, and then we realized this is when the recent hurricane came through. We saw a lot of damage along the highway. We are heading to Stone Mountain, but decided that we would overnight in Perry, Georgia. And here we are, crossing the border into Georgia. Wow, look at this huge, massive Coca-Cola facility. Since this is more than a 4-hour ride, we're actually going to pull over and take a little break. Usually my honey drives straight through, but it's good just to stop and stretch your legs, get a drink, use the restroom, and this is a real easy on and off rest stop. We drove for miles and miles passing these solar panels. It was so impressive. The sign said Georgia's EMCs lead the nation for solar energy. They must supply a good part of Georgia because there were thousands and thousands of solar panels. Very impressive. Ponderosa RV Park will be our home for the night in Perry, Georgia. And that's Randy. His family has owned this park for 50 years, and he actually just retired from the Air Force. What an awesome family and a very cool park. This park was conveniently located not very far from the highway. It was only $45 a night. It had a good vibe to it. We would highly recommend this. This is the stop. Our overnight layover in Ponderosa RV Park and Perry. We didn't even have to unhook because we're just staying the night, and we're pulling out and heading straight on the highway to Stony Mountain in Georgia. Yep, I still use my paper map. I love to follow along as we're traveling. Anybody else still use a paper map? We'll be staying right at Stone Mountain Park Campground, and next week's video will be giving you a tour of the campground.
You have arrived.
We arrived at Stone Mountain on a Sunday. We parked up the RV and we got ready and headed out to the mountain right away because we found out that the attractions are only open on the weekend on Saturday and Sunday. A ticket will cost you just under $45, but you can go in and out to the attractions from one attraction to the other, and you can spend the entire day there. Obstacle course thing. That's pretty cool. Stone Mountain is 825 feet tall. It covers 3,200 acres and is the largest piece of exposed granite in the world. If you follow our journey, you will know that we love train rides. We take train rides everywhere we can, including Alaska. That was a magical train ride. But let's go take this train ride around Stone Mountain now. The train ride was not only scenic, but they also told the story of the three little pigs. It was very cute for kids, and we stopped in the middle and they had a whole animated story of the three pigs.
In an audience, I suppose it'd be improper of me not to introduce myself. My name is Harry E. Wolf. Now, some of y'all probably know me better as the Big Bad Wolf, but I know I'm the creature you're supposed to run away from, the villain your parents tell you about in your bedtime stories, but not all of them stories are entirely true. I'm really not that bad. This right here was an accident. I didn't mean to blow down the little straw house, and I won't stop until I can talk to those pigs and tell them how sorry I am for knocking their house over.
We were hungry after the train ride and stopped over at the marketplace food court and had some pizza.
That's good.
Now this is what I'm super excited to do. I've been wanting to go up this sky ride up to Stone Mountain. This is a Swiss-built cable car and it's a high speed, and this is how it operates.
Slow. Once we get to the top of the tree lines, we'll increase our speed just a little bit. Now the carving will be coming into view on our right hand side. And the carving's coming into view. Three figures on that carving are from left to right. You got Confederate President Jefferson Davis, he's riding his horse Blackjack. In the middle you got General Robert E. Lee, he's riding his horse Traveler. And on the far right you got Lieutenant General Thomas Stonewall Jackson, he's riding his horse Little Sorrow. Now that carving is 90 feet tall, 190 feet wide. Carving goes back into the mountain 42 feet. You can actually put two school buses side by side on the back end of Traveler, the horse in the middle. A 6-foot man or woman can stand inside the mouth of Blackjack, that first horse on the left. And chisel out area is just over 3 acres. And this carving is the largest carving in the United States. It's actually 30 feet bigger than Mount Rushmore. Now, Stone Mountain is the largest single granite outcropping in the world. It's estimated to be about 350 million years old. And it's 825 feet to the top of the mountain. Now, when we get to the top of the mountain here, by the 2 white columns, we're going to tilt forward, swing back. So you might want to hold on to something or someone. And here comes our tilt forward. And back. And forward and Alright, we come to the loading dock here, we will encounter a bump or two, so once again you might want to hold on. Alright, here comes ones are bumps. Alright, watch your fingers.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you for riding.
The dome of Stone Mountain was formed during the formation of the Blue Ridge Mountains around 300 to 350 million years ago. It formed as a result of the upwelling magma from within the Earth's crust. A ride up on the Sky Ride will give you a 360-degree view from 825 feet above Georgia. This includes the Atlanta skyline. It includes the RV park, the campground that we're staying at, the golf course. It's just an amazing, spectacular view. And if you don't want to ride the Sky Ride up, you can actually hike up the mountain. So that's another option. And at the top of the mountain, there's a little snack bar with refreshments. There's a gift store. I highly recommend going up to Stone Mountain.
Yeah.
We were definitely visiting Stone Mountain at the right time because in the fall from September 16th through October 29th, they have a pumpkin festival and a glow-by-night drone show. This show was absolutely spectacular. It was the first time we had experienced a drone show, and this was mesmerizing. Drone displays are much better for the environment than firework displays, of course, and there were some fireworks in here, but the drone show, it just told an entire fall pumpkin story. It was so entertaining, and we were so happy to be there for this show. And if you have a chance to go to a drone light show, we highly recommend it. It's so worth it. 250 color changing drones synchronized to music is used for this spectacular show. Hey Jojo, do you give this video a thumbs up? Woohoo! And subscribe? Yeah.
Hit that subscribe button.
Smash that subscribe button. Woohoo!